So you want to know how to redeem a gift card or coupon code in your Depop application. Here's how you can do it under a minute. So when it comes to gift card, you just need to click on My Depop, make sure that you're logged in, click on Wallet, and then enter your gift card code. But you can also do it on your checkout. So first things first, simply go ahead and add something to cart. Let's just say I'm going to add this belt to the cart right over here. First, log in into your account, of course.
It's 6 o'clock.
And once you've added it to your bag, simply click on the bag option right over here. And now simply head to the checkout option. And now this is where you can simply go ahead and add a new card. And then when you click on add a new card, just enter your gift card. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment.